Hey everyone, with its front-wheel drive system and automated gear shifting, the Heybike EC Compact is an electric bike designed for urban areas that promises portability, style, and ease of use. At first look, it appears to be a mini BMX due to its small frame and upright riding stance. It is clearly designed for short city commutes rather than harsh or lengthy journeys. A front hub engine, 3-speed automated gearing, hydraulic disc brakes, and a 36-volt 13-amp-hour battery are all included in the bike's respectable specification list. For most users, its weight of about 24 kilograms is manageable. It is a mixed experience to ride the EC Compact. The torque sensor efficiently distributes power as soon as you start pedaling, and the ride is good on smooth city roads. The motor is noisy though, and this is noticeable nearly right away. Expected for a city bike, the lack of suspension makes for a startling ride on cobblestones, unkempt trails, or any surface other than properly paved bike lanes. Though they can't completely make up for the absence of suspension, the 20 by 2.4-inch tires do help absorb shocks to some extent. On level roads, it shifts well, but on hills, it gets troublesome. On climbs, the bike has a propensity to shift up just when you need torque the most, which makes the experience more annoying than beneficial. It's a regrettable defect that reduces the feature's utility, particularly for riders in places with bridges or elevation changes. Even with the saddle at full height, the reviewer considers it to be claustrophobic at 1.88 meters. Instead of feeling like a real commuter, it feels like a toy bike. However, the sizing might be more suitable for smaller riders, particularly those who are under 1.80 meters. It is important to note that, in spite of its name, the EC Compact cannot be folded, which restricts its portability for travel or storage. The manufacturer claims a range of up to 110 kilometers. However, this is only possible under the following perfect circumstances: flat terrain, eco mode, wind-free, and a lightweight rider. With wind and a rider weighing about 80 kilograms, the range drastically decreases to about 68 kilometers in real-world scenarios. It takes over 7 hours to charge the detachable battery, which is a considerable weight for an e-bike in this price range. Basic parameters like speed and battery percentage are displayed on the bike's tiny, sunlight-readable display. It uses Bluetooth, a reliable and user-friendly technology, to connect to a companion app. But the software is quite restricted. It doesn't have sophisticated capabilities like custom power profiles or motor tuning. For anyone with a basic understanding of bike setup, assembly is simple and should only take 10 to 15 minutes. The main frame, front wheel, pedals, charger, tiny toolkit, mudguards, and even a phone holder, a pleasant extra, are all included in the box. The Heybike EC Compact, which costs 1,600 euros, is in a difficult position. It fulfills its function well in flat, bike-friendly places like Amsterdam. It works well for daily commutes and is small and fashionable. However, the bike soon demonstrates its limitations in terms of comfort and performance for taller riders or those who live in places with bad roads or slopes. You may anticipate greater power, folding ability, or versatility for the price, but the EC Compact doesn't deliver on any of these fronts. In conclusion, if you're under 1.80 meters tall and live in a flat, well-kept city, the Heybike EC Compact is a good choice. Although it's small, easy to use, and practical, there are some trade-offs. It would be prudent for taller riders or those who require improved hill performance to go elsewhere. Do you want a comparison with another small, affordable urban e-bike? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.